Hey, hi friends, welcome back to Tulip Board channel. So today we'll see the brand new gated community which is located in JP Nagar 8th phase. So this is a really very brand new 2 BHK I have to show you. So this has all the facilities like swimming pool, gym, clubhouse and 24 hours water facility, tennis court, children play area and car parking, bike parking. So each and every amenities they have. So before going to the video, before going to the flat details, I just want to request you guys, please hit the like button so it will be helpful to me to add more properties in Bangalore. So you'll be definitely getting a good property from my side. So and one more thing, don't forget to subscribe my channel. So subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get more videos and more interesting flats from my side. So let's go to the property details.
Coming to the flat, this is a brand new 2 BHK flat in a gated community, that is GR Heights, which is on JP Nagar 8th phase. So the currently what we are seeing the flat which is on 13th floor west facing. So right now what you are seeing is that is a small thing for a puja setup. This is a very spacious hall, and in the hall and you'll be getting TV stand, and from the hall we will see one by one a master bedroom. With this is the master bedroom, and which has two sides window, aluminum window with mosquitoes mesh, and it has a beautiful designed wardrobes, the enough spacious wardrobes we have in the master bedroom. And this is like 1299 square foot we have space in the flat, and this is the western toilet. There is on say sink and on geyser provided. These are you know modular kitchen with enough cabinets has been provided in the kitchen. It's a beautifully designed kitchen. From the kitchen you can access the utility area. This is the utility area, comes with one sink in the utility area. So if I'm coming to the another a bedroom, second bedroom, which is having a beautiful designed slide mower balcony view. We'll be seeing the balcony view on the 13th floor. This is having attached western toilet, and there are wardrobes. This is a very beautiful balcony view on the 13th floor. If you see from the balconies, you will be seeing the entire view of the JP Nagar 8th phase. So this is what I have, the 2 BHK for a family. This 100% vastu they have constructed, west facing 18th floor. The expected rent is 21,000, and 4,000 is a maintenance.